Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka barek but pila banle group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan ar riwe khandai pra.
Deputy Commissioner Joka Ribhoi District Arpit Upadhyaya Hakalai Potrik Jemmang Arja Pulai Laplipat ba Chief Minister's Youth Center Kabadan Hakashnong Umling Ribhoi District Haringkat ke Jingsa Kilang Jong BDO ke Umling Block Bat Kinoy Alam Jong ka MCYC Bat Nashilong Hakani ke Sngi ke Cmyc Kalapin Inami Kitiar Kibala Syad Bat Shna hi da Kisamla Bat Kirang ba Kibala Yoji kai Hakani ke Center Ha kabala yo iru ya ka almari kabala ban penkela syaka jingthia ka sabon kabala sedang Shna da laingut kilong kemi bat kabala sedang ya hatem Ribhoi kabala ai kerteng kum ka PRP bat sipun ki wei pat ki jing pen inam la pen bernyai ki pat ba da ki jing roi bat ki jing shat bat ka jing ya pen iriam ha kabala Shna pen wan dor hi da ka CMYC umlik
ingin jaga program ka formal function akan ko pro Terima. Andri. Thank you so much.
Project iba kila le akan nikalay ganay, Andre, yang pasikat ka ne kaba ya lahi. Dep natura kadang saka personal interview itu tahajin pada kisah JTA mo dalam JTA ngala kila khot nga ban training mo kila khot ban training arbanai ki khot wa sitiyo mo nga hapli wa sitiyo sitisha kadang ko ka jaka ka samati mo tingi ale to sa sitiyo te ka best ba mo ka jingle jungan mar ngasngaw kalong yarap ha yang mo ban pencelur ban keren api kipat ba mo kawai ban pensilur renga ban ai ban sim langi kiwe mo tai kata kawai kai kaba kilong ka experience junga hang ne mo kilong positif ba mo I ai la timi kai kaba ni kwa mo kai bang kwa ban le kai kaba ni trang ban le mo kata kawai ketika kata ka jing mentoi kaba kham khrau mo kaba nga yong mat mo.
Wonderful moment, and I would like to say that this exhibition center will go, this CM Youth Center will go a long way in harnessing the talents of the youth. And at this time, when you all have a lot of energy, a lot of potential, a lot of things to do, a lot of creativity, the Youth Center provides you all those opportunities on how to develop that talent, how to make it more creative, how to instill the curiosity in you, how to divert your energies in a very positive manner. So this is a great day. I've seen how it functions. I've seen how the private project in Sonarim also, and I wish that this kind of centers, there should be more such centers like that. You will go this will go a very taken a very warm welcome by the society. I know after some time all the youth, all the kids will be here only doing some things other here and there, and you will enjoy a lot. This center is for you, and it is your responsibility also to take it forward and to ensure that everyone is here. I would like to thank our Ranvashnam also. Firstly, it could not happen because without your support, and now once you have started this thing, I believe that you take it up forward and to ensure that all the youth, the people, the kids, the teenagers and everyone should come here and do something. Just coming here will help you a lot and you will find different things about yourself also. So when I went to Saurarem, I remember that there was some machinery cutting or something was there. And I was feeling like I should also do, but although I could not do it. Probably I'll come here sometime, do something. Carpentry is like looking very interesting for me. So these are the things that I think you should all take forward, especially the students, the kids and the youth who is present here. So at this note, I would like to thank everyone for calling me here, and I would like to congratulate also everyone for the inauguration of CM Youth Center. And I'm very sure that after some time you will realize how much important, how much required this center was. Thank you.
Ban pengiu yang kasap jong pi kat papidon badu nak kalian juga administration tu ikloi banyak yarap banyak link ya ketika kasap jong pi bagi to various departments that you can showcase your talent in. And ngala aslem dia was hoye ngadon sa kaway meeting sa station nong po tamba hoy tapi anything to do from the block office and also with the able support of the DC's office also, we are always ready to help and always ready to uplift the youth of the block and also of the state and of the district as well. So with those few words, you kena samla baro to play dak ku kertoy pi, and please continue to hone your talent, continue to improve because the only way is up. Thank you so much.
Sabon nagbaga jing trang ga jing kwa ka joni marbangi lawan ha kane ka se hosi la yawan juga betul ya matine ki na ki balaya simenta sebang ga baya sujan sebang baya than di tu bijan baya shed tengi ngabat ngasnu kwa pinbangan simenta ya kane ka Sabon mah ya hatin may persiang na ila persiang tu ka ki baka long nagalalong tu ngila ya try ka nyala jong ki kijar ki bayi penis ki senangi te ki kit sakohti bang ile kali sakohti de nya udkhar ba kumnong ile bang kwa ban nang basha Sabon te udkhar u ajim jami gan ki da kwa ban nang basha Sabon te wan mo bat ni ngila ban yarap ya pi te tang yang ini tengah kering lah banwan marba dan ikun yin dah uang dah buat untuk air yang kata ayu air jemut yang ini dah buat dengan air dengan batai yang kena dawai bapin try set dah pinang dan ya tip untuk kena dia persangkan dan ya persangkan ini bakal long teh tengi persangkan yang air kiu kan sana yang persang hendet tengi bakal long kumnete tengi kermen kan bakane ka jing frang jemi bakan long ka bajok biar kamu dah kerteng jong na bajong ni membar